If you have a Shopify store on the 2.0 theme, you will want to add the cross-sell and upsell app by using blocks. On your online store, go on Themes, click on Customize Theme. On this drop-down menu, select Products, Default Product. Now, on the left side, you're going to see the App section. On App, click Add Block and add the General Cross-Sell block, as well as the Quick View and Upsell Cross-Sell block. Make sure to save it, and then you can see the blocks are already populating over here. Same thing for your cart. Go back on the drop-down menu and select Cart. On your cart, add the block General for cross-sell and click Save. And that's how you inject the cross-sell and upsell app to your 2.0 Shopify store.